Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Indra Aprianti from the University of Nusa Putra, majoring in law. Here I will present the product for submitting a marriage at KUA to fulfill the task of business English. Marriage is a life cycle that should be lived by every human being as a life cycle and a momentum to unite two people and have a household. This marriage procession cannot be underestimated. So, from here in certain ethnic group, the wedding procession give rise to favorite rules and procedure as well as certain tradition. Therefore, because the wedding procession is so important, you must know the legal and official marriage procedure which are generally carried out at the KUA or Religion Affairs Office. In the Article 20 HB of the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia states that everyone has the right to form a family and continue their offspring through legal marriage, and the state guarantees the child right to survival, growth and development as well as the right to protection from violence and discrimination. Law of the Republic of Indonesia Number 1 of 1974 concerning marriage, Article 2, Paragraph 1, it states marriage is valid if it is carried out according to the law of each religion and belief, and 2, every marriage is recorded according to the prevailing laws and regulations. Marriage requirement of them: number 1, certificate for marriage or model number 1, and 2, certificate of origin or model 92, and 3, bride's approval letter or 93 models, and 4, certificate of parents or model 94, and 5, notification of marriage intention or model 97 in the bride and groom are unable to attend. Notification of marriage can be made by the guardian or his representative. And 6, proof of TT1 immunization of the bride and groom, immunization card and TT immunization from the local health center. And 7, paid marriage registration fee 13 rupiah. And 8, court permit if there is no permission from parent or guardian. And next, number 9, 3 pages of 3 times 2 photos. And number 10, dispensation from the court of prospective husband who are not yet 19 years old, and for prospective wives who are not yet 16 years old. And number 11, for members of the Indonesian National Armed Force or police bring a letter of permission from their respective superiors. And number 12, court permit for husband who wish to have more than one wife. And number 13, divorce certificate of citation of divorce registration book or divorce registration book for those whose divorce occurred before the enactment of Law Number 7 of 1989. And number 14, certificate regarding the death of the husband or wife signed by the village head of authority official which from the basic for filling out the 96 model for window or windowers who are about to get married. Marriage procedure for prospective husband. Number 1, the neighborhood and hamlet introduction is brought to the local urban village to get the N1, N2, N3, and N4 blanco fillings. Number 2, come to the local KUA to get a letter of introduction or marriage recommendation, or if the prospective wife has another address in the area or district. Number 3, if the prospective wife is in the area or district, the file for the prospective husband is submitted to the prospective wife. And next, attachment. Number 1, photocopy of ID card. Number 2, birth certificate, and C1 or family card. Number 3, photo 3 times 4, 2 pages. If the prospective wife is outside the area. Number 4, passport photo 2 times 3. And number 5, 6, if the prospective wife is in the area or district. Procedure for prospective wife. Number 1, the neighborhood and hamlet. Introduction is brought to the local urban village to get the N1, N2, N3, and N4 Blanco fillings. And number 2, come to the local KUA to register marriage and administrative check or together with guardians and prospective husband. And number 3, prospective husbands and prospective wife. Before the implementation of marriage, will get marriage advisory from BP4. And attachment. Number 1, photocopy of ID card. Number 2, birth certificate and CI or family card K10. Number 3, photocopy of TT3 immunization card. Number 4, blue background photos, size 2x3 each with 5 sheets. And number 5, divorce certificate from the PA for divorced widows or widowers. And number 6, PA dispensation if the age is less than 16 PA and 19 PA. And number 7, permission from superiors for members of the Indonesian National Armed Force or police. And number 8, death certificate of father if he has died. And number 9, guardian certificate if the guardian is not accepted as from the local village head. And next, number 10, dispensation of sub-district head if less than 10 days 9. And 11 and 5 are parental consent if the K10 age is less than 21 years. And 12 and 6 are husband of wife death certificate for widow or widowers died. Marriage fee. Based on government regulation of the Republic of Indonesia number 40 age of 20 and 14 concerning amendments to governance regulation number 47 of 20 and 4 concerning tariff of types of non-tax state revenue applicable to the Ministry of Religion Marriage or regular is carried out at KUA office on working days and hours 0 rupiah or free, outside the office and or outside working days and hours 600 rupiah. The flow or procedure for the wedding procession at the Office of Religion Affairs or KUA is as follows. Number 1, visit the head of the neighborhood association to arrange a cover letter to the urban village or village. Number 2, visiting the urban village or village to take care of the marriage. Introduction letter to the Office of Religious Affairs or KUA. And number 3, if the marriage takes place less than 10 days from the time of registration, it must ask for a statement of dispensation from the district. And number 4, pay the marriage contract fee if the location is outside the KUA. And number 5, submit proof of payment to KUA. And number 6, visiting the Office of Religion Affairs where the marriage contract is being held to check document and data of the bride and groom and their marriage guardians. And next, number 7, carry out the marriage contract in accordance with the previously agreed place and time. And next, number 8, pay off the wedding expenses if you get married outside of working hours. And finally, number 9, checking the authenticity of marriage books. There's some information about the procedure for marriage at KUA. So, if you want to plan a wedding with a partner, you must understand some of the explanation above. And one more thing that you need to remember, that you don't need to hesitate to carry out the marriage process at KUA. Because besides being simple, you can also make saying because you don't need to spend money. That's all I can say on this occasion. Hopefully it's useful and understandable. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.